Good morning, Tish. Hope you are well and had a good weekend. Just shooting you through this quick video to show you how, if you would like us to do a quick audit on your previous account or your previous campaigns that you've been running on Facebook in the past. So how to do that is you just jump into your ad account or your business manager, jump over to business settings. You should come to a page that looks like this. So once you're in that, just jump over to ad accounts here and just select the ad account that you'd like us to look at. You should probably only have one or two there. And then you can go assign partner, and then you can even just do account analyst. Should generate a link. If you shoot that link to me, I will be able to jump in and just do a little bit of an audit. So yeah, if you wanted that totally complimentary, free of charge, I can do that. I'd do a quick 15-20 minute video for you, just checking out what you've done before and kind of giving you any pointers. So I'll follow up now. Very sorry about Friday. I was going to shoot this through Friday, but had a bit of a mess around on the day. My office was closed, so I had a bit of a stuff around. So just catching up now, and I'll send through the proposal and everything. But yeah, if you shoot back with this link here, and we can jump in and do a little audit for you. Thank you. Chat soon.